Aparti paking sisig, dakal pang biyayaliwang pamangan, ing pagbaragol da rin kapara tamong Kapampangan. Metong ne Kenny, ing kari-kari. At king mera patakain conference o kain con 2024, king Far Eastern University king Manila niyang Lunes April 15, metong niya karing binida ing kari-kari. Dinakin ning kabalentamong interdisciplinary artist at cultural advocate ay Ruston Banal, ing istorya na ni Manyaman na putahi.
Pero nagkaroon ako ng interest sa kanyang kasaysayan when yung isang kaibigan ko, I think a decade ago, started writing about the provenance of kari-kari. And he claims that kari-kari is from Pampanga. And I got very interested. Siyempre, added ego sa amin yon kasi kami pala nag-introduce ng kari-kari, kagaya ng sisig.
Agpang banal, magkakari na ring aos na rin Kapampangan na magluto ang timong kapenantunan.
So it came from this website. I think the website was published a decade ago, and it became the source of the story of kare-kare. This is the website, siwala.com. In the website, it indicates that Kapampangan cooks are traditionally called magkakari, those who specialize in curry, and their eateries are known as Karian, places that cook and serve curry. Kapampangan were said to establish the first Karian in Manila during the Spanish era to cater to the homesick Kapampangan colonial bureaucrats, soldiers, sailors, and students who were working and studying in Intramuros.
Pepakit ang banal king kayang presentation no makanano may kumpis ni pamaglutong kari-kari king bangsa ang ganaging mag-transform ya ini king kari-karing baluta mong eni. King tauli, sinabi ng banal aliya mo king Pampanga many bating lutong kari-kari. Metong yako ng version na ning sikat ulam ing kari-karing Kapampangan at maging aliwaya ing kalutong ini depende ka ring sangkap ang pang resources available king metong alugal.
It's not just a Kapampangan dish, but it is a food of the Filipino people. Pagkain natin lahat.
Yako po yung kaya ko yung talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.